So if you've landed on this video, it's probably fair to say that you're not just a short distance fair weather rider. You probably really like to lay down the miles, and you probably ride in all different weather conditions. Here at Law Abiding Biker Media, we've helped bikers worldwide for many years now get Harley-Davidson brand heated grips installed on their bikes. If you've ever seen the paper instructions that come with those heated grips, they're horrible. They'll want to make you tear your hair out. Well, let me tell you, there's no need to pay a dealership mechanic to install these grips. We've got your back. We can show you how to install them right in your very own shop or garage. That is right. Welcome back, Bikeaholics. Ryan Urlacher here, lawabidingbiker.com. I always thank you, that's right, you, for checking back in. So real quick and up front, those of you that know us realize that 95% of the content we produce here is completely free to the biker community. We do sell a few videos for obvious reasons. This is one of those videos. It helps support the channel, it helps us keep the lights on here. If you're just looking for awesome free tutorial videos, then you'll want to check out this channel because there are hundreds available for you. Check them out, enjoy. And with that said, you should definitely stick around for this video because I've got some awesome information for you on Harley brand heated grips. So this is an update to our original Harley heated grips install tutorial video. It's been out for many years now and has helped tons of bikers worldwide get those installed. So what we've done is we've completely overhauled that video, made it even better for the biker community. Don't worry if you're a past purchaser, we will send you the new overhauled video completely free. That's our commitment to you. And if you are interested in getting this Harley heated grips install video, I will link to it in the description below, and I'll try to pop a card on the screen. And real quick, before you leave this channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell icon. Every time those are hit, another biker joins the revolution. We would love to have you be part of it. So worth noting is this tutorial video is specifically for installing Harley-Davidson brand heated grips on your bike. Now, we don't always recommend here on this channel Harley-Davidson branded stuff because oftentimes it's not as good as aftermarket stuff and it's often more expensive. But in the case of heated grips, we definitely recommend the Harley brand ones, and that's just based on our experience of installing these things over the years on different models and years, plus the fact that I use them daily on my police Harley, and they're also installed on the bike behind me, my Street Glide Special. Some of the differences with other aftermarket grips are, let me start by saying the Harley heated grips, the elements are in the grips. Some of your aftermarket stuff, you actually put the heating element in the bars. It's supposed to go through the bars and then into the grip. I can tell you some of the other ones we've tested, they just don't heat your hands as well as the Harley branded ones. I can tell you those Harley ones, if you have them, you know what I'm talking about. They get really hot, especially with thin gloves. It's rare, even on days where it's freezing or maybe a little bit below freezing. I can rarely turn them up past halfway, which is 3. And they go all the way to 6 just because they do get very hot. The other nice thing about the Harley branded ones is they come with the standard Harley plugs that you would expect, making the install a bit of a plug and play type deal. So you may be asking, what years and models is this tutorial video geared towards? Well, I can say basically 2000 and newer for sure, maybe even a little bit older. Let me explain. So we've been selling this video for a lot of years and we've had a lot of feedback from bikers around the world. They've installed it on late 90s models and even early 2000s, of course, and newer, and I've had no problem getting them installed with the use of our tutorial video. So it doesn't matter if you have a Street Glide, a Road Glide, an Ultra, a Road King, a Dyna, a Softail, and on, the video is going to work for you. The reason I say that is because these heated grip kits from Harley have not changed in many, many years. We know that from installing these kits. Additionally, the install is very universal in nature. In fact, one of the only variations is where you actually tie into power. So that's the only thing that you'll have to glance at those horrible instructions for, is just where they recommend to tie into power for your year and model. And don't worry, with the purchase of the tutorial video, you get multiple video files, and we show you some different bikes, models and years, and different ways to tie into power. And another thing I want to mention is just pay close attention when you're ordering those heated grips from Harley, because many of them, depending on your year and model, require an additional wiring harness. And like all of our premium videos, upon purchase, you get immediate access. You can watch it as many times as you like for life on any device with a good internet connection. In true law-abiding biker media style, we get you the best of angles in high definition. We teach you in detail, step by step, the processes necessary for installing these heated grips. It's really like you're right there with us wrenching. Don't forget links to the video in the description below. So I'm just gonna give you a little advice here. If you've ever considered putting aftermarket handlebars on your Harley-Davidson, this is really the time to do it, because we're gonna be tearing into the bike to put heated grips. Alternately, if you're gonna do handlebars, you would wanna do heated grips at the same time. Why tear your bike apart twice? You're really gonna be in a lot of the same areas. And don't worry, we've got your back with 4 very popular Harley handlebar install videos. One of them is gonna work for you regardless of what year or model you have. I will link to those videos in the description below and also try to pop a card on the screen for you. And if you're not completely certain on which handlebar install video to get, go ahead and hit us up on our contact form on our main website, lawabidingbiker.com. We'll definitely give you a hand. That's right, bikers helping bikers. It's what we're all about. So you don't need a lift or a jack, and there are no specialty tools required to install these heated grips. Just your basic common tools will get the job done. Best of all, you can do it right on the kickstand if you choose. And if you're new to the channel, I just want to mention, we don't own dealerships. We don't work for dealerships. We are bikers just like you out there doing these projects right in our very own shop. And after years of doing it, that's why we know we have the ability to break it down and present it to you in an understandable format so that you can do the same projects in your very own shop. So what are you waiting for, bikeaholics? Stop searching around, get the video already. There is no need to pay a dealership mechanic to do this. Save your hard-earned money, do the project yourself. Best of all, you'll have the pure satisfaction of wrenching on your own motorcycle. And with that said, here's a sneak peek.